Hey guys, Noah Madar here, again here with us in the traders. Today, as every Sunday for the last month, I'm gonna give you three stocks, alright, to buy for tomorrow, for the upcoming week. Or we'll show you this, so stay with us so you know which one to buy and which are long stocks for this upcoming week. And if you like our channel, please subscribe and like this video. Bye bye.
So hello guys and welcome back to the traders. My name is Or and today I'm gonna give you three more alerts for the upcoming week, as I'm doing for the last 4 weeks, and we had very good results. And today is the 30th of June. Don't forget that next week will be a short week because 4th of July. So that's why I'm also wearing the USA shirts, just for you to know. But let's get to the point. So I will give you three long alerts that I think can outperform the market. This is the whole idea. And the alerts are swing alerts. You don't have to be around the computer. You just put the alerts, put the orders, and then go to your things, go to the stuff that you need to do. But let's get to the point. The first one is INVA. As you can see, I have two charts here. One is the daily, and the second one is a 5-minute candle. It really doesn't matter, just to get a feel. So INVA is the first one. As you can see, it has nice base and looks like volume is increasing. It crossed the VWAP and the moving average, which is a good signal. Also, of course, there is a high short float percent and days to cover. I really like this play because when you have high short float percent, and then the stock can really go up, can really explode, and the sky's the limit. That's why I love the short squeeze play. So for me, INVA is above 40 and 60 cent. I will put alert also that you can see the line of 40 and 60 long. So you can see it around the resistance area, and if it crosses it with a high volume, high relative volume like it did last Friday, then it can easily go to 50 and 50 cent and maybe to $16, which is approximately 10% above the current price. So our profit target is 10% from the current price, and it really looks good. The second symbol is MGPI, sorry, TDOC. TDOC also looks very good with high volume candle on Friday, and you can see 2.8 relative volume of the average daily volume, and it looks very good. Also, you can see it went up and then made a little base over here, and maybe it started crawling back up with low short, high short percentage, and also days to cover. This thing has gasoline in the stock, and it really can go to, in my opinion, 73 approximately, which is also más o menos 7% above the current price. And I will put here an alert above 66 and 56 cent. You can see the line really above the high of the day. It also finished on the high, so it looks very good. If the volume is will continue with the trend, it can really go up, and it has a good potential. So this is the second symbol. The third symbol is MGPI. MGPI, I already put an alert over here, which is 67.05. Right to yourself, looks very good. Also volume, high volume on Friday, 2.3 average daily volume, and it can really go above this resistance area, and if it does, it can easily break to 72 or 73. So it looks very good. Tiny float of 12 million, which is good. because if the stock will go up, then it can really go to 75, 80 even, with no time and with no really effort. So it really good that we have a tiny float, and also from this tiny float we have a high short percentage and days to cover, and it's really like a bomb that if it start to move up, it can really explode. So this is the three symbol that I give it to you for the upcoming week. I repeat myself: INVA above 40 and 60 cent, MGPI above 67 and 5 cents, and TDOC 66 and 56 cents. Don't forget that these plays are very custom plays. You can see I have I found it through my software, and it looks good. It has good potential with the short float and the days to cover. So all these three stocks have the really good potential to outperform the market and make us profits. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, please like it, please subscribe to our channel. We are appreciate it, and I hope you take care of yourself, and of course stay green. This is the most important thing. Stay green. Don't let profits to go away from you. This is like I tell all my students that you have to take profits while it goes up. So if it goes in our direction, please consider to take some profits off the table.